Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing stuff from BLUSHMARK. Love the packaging. Okay, so we got a few items. Ooh. So the first thing we have is a snake turtleneck. Kind of almost a crop, but it's not quite like crop yet. See the sleeves, super stretchy. Next we have a dress that basically goes all the way. It's quite long. I would say probably like maybe knee, maybe mid-thigh. But same front and back. Here is another dress, turtleneck, on the shoulder, same front and back, long sleeve, and then probably to like around the knee or mid-thigh. This is a beautiful velvet mask. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's nice. And here is another mask. A nice black one. So everything is from BLUSHMARK. Everything, I mean, beautiful prints, stretchy fabrics. So let me go ahead and try it on to see what they all look like. So it actually is a crop top. I mean, there's like my belly right there. It's quite stretchy, but really nice and fitted. The turtleneck on the shoulders, all the way down mid-thigh. I love how form-fitting it is. Ooh, I like this one a lot. So it's like professional, yet you can also like go out on the town with it. In general, oh my goodness, this was my favorite one so far. And then of course, when you go out on the town, wear this. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this BLUSHMARK collection. And if you want to purchase it, the link is below. And continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video.